Hi and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering business English. I'm Craig, and picture this. Your manager's just asked you to attend refresher training, or onboarding support, or maybe even in-company coaching. You nod and say, sure. But what do those phrases really mean? And more importantly, how do you use them naturally yourself? In conversations, meetings, or emails? Today, we're going to explore some of the most useful collocations with the word training. These are combinations of words like hands-on training or sign up for training that native speakers use all the time, but learners often miss. I'll walk you through some of the most helpful ones, give you clear examples, and show you how to use them in context. Let's jump in. First up, hands-on training. This is the opposite of just listening or reading. Hands-on training means you're actively doing the task. You're learning a new software tool, and instead of watching a video, you actually use the tool yourself during the session. The new hires will get hands-on training with the customer management system this week. It's practical, interactive, and very common in onboarding. Next, we have in-company training. This refers to any training that happens inside your organization, usually tailored to your company's specific goals. A logistics firm hires a trainer to help their staff improve supply chain communication. We offer in-company training for teams who need to upgrade their process management skills. It's more formal than internal training and often used in B2B or corporate environments. Our next example is onboarding training. This one's all about helping new employees settle in. Onboarding training covers everything from company policies to workflows and team structures. The onboarding training includes security protocols, document management, and client handling procedures. It helps people feel confident and ready from day one. Moving on to on-the-job training. This is learning while working, not in a classroom but in a real setting. A junior colleague shadows a more experienced team member on live calls or tasks. Most of our team learns through on-the-job training in the first few weeks. It's direct, efficient, and highly practical. Next up, we have refresher training. This is used when people already know the content but need an update or reminder. All managers take refresher training in data protection every 6 months. This is especially common in regulated industries like finance, healthcare, or education. Now, let's look at a few common verbs you'll hear with the word training. These verbs make your English smoother, whether you're talking in a meeting or writing a report. Our first example is receive training in. This one's a bit more formal, great for HR reports or annual reviews. All employees received training in customer de-escalation techniques last quarter. Moving on, we have participate in training. This shows active involvement. You weren't just present, you took part. Staff are encouraged to participate in training regularly to keep skills up to date. Our next verb is sign up for training. This is more casual but very common in emails and notices. You can sign up for project management training using the internal portal. Easy to remember and easy to use. And finally, we have get training for. It's short, flexible, and friendly. You'll get training for the new CRM rollout next week. It's perfect in quick updates or team chats. That's your quick guide to training done right in business English. My name's Craig. I'll see you soon right here on Higher English. Thanks for watching.